Dad, can you make your guitar quieter?
Dad, can you make your guitar quieter?
Do you need a cheap isolation box? Well, here's my example and how it actually works.
Let's hear what it sounds like testing it with a large diaphragm condenser mic. Okay, that microphone test may not be super impressive, but in the room, the difference is incredible. You can see the difference too. Building an isolation box for your guitar cabinet is really easy and really cheap to make. All you're going to need is a sheet of plywood, which is about $12, some bedding foam, which is about 15 bucks, box of screws, $4, a screwdriver or electric drill, and you can even use a handsaw or a circular saw if you have it.
Measure your cabinet's height, width, and depth, add a few inches, and then cut your pieces out of the plywood. Make sure you make your pieces a few inches bigger than your amps to give enough space for cables, microphone, and the foam. I like using coarse head drywall screws because they go into the wood really easily. Make sure you cut a hole in the bottom to allow for enough room for cables. Inside the box, all the walls are aligned with bedding foam. The foam is really easy to cut with scissors and to affix with some spray adhesive. Adding a handle to the top makes it easier to lift over your amp. If you're concerned about transferring sound through the floor, you can add a piece of foam and wood for the box to sit on.
Let's hear how it sounds recorded with a Sennheiser E609 microphone. For those of you that are curious, I'm running this test through a Yamaha vintage guitar amp with an Ibanez tube screamer, a noise killer, and a Hamer guitar with a P90 pickup.
Sennheiser E609 microphone test inside homemade isolation cabinet. Clean channel. With overdrive. And finally with some really nasty sounding distortion.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it. If you want to make something like this even more effective, you could build another box around the entire thing.